Hey, what's up, AMP coin holder? What's going on this time? AMP, the very huge pump, but definitely after a firm, they were very badly falls down. So, what this, my friend, in kind of coming time, can there is a chance to AMP will pumps up or they were fails down more and more. So, let's get started a brand video. But please, holders, if you are new my channel, kindly subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Remember to be a station. I will not make a financial video. I just advise you. So, please research personally before you take any decision. My friend, in last 24-hour minus 3.5%, the price is dumped down. So I think it's very short dump and it's very temporary. Yes, my brothers, don't worry. This is temporary fails. I hope after this fails, they will also take a very huge jump now because my brothers AMP will make one permanent point, so therefore they will not hit this point and definitely they will not come to zero. So therefore absolutely this is one of the good coin, my friend, and I liked it. But some coin, my friend, Kisho, and my friend, something like this more coin also, my friend, in the crypto market, to the price will come down to zero. They cannot make a one permanent point, to they will not cross this line. Definitely, my friends, MP is one of the fastest cryptocurrency and very good profit time, especially for short time investor. Very good coin. So currently holder, if you have any plan to invest for a short time, then don't worry, my friends, when they take a very huge jump, just only sell it. But if you have a plan to invest for a long time, then don't sell it before, my friend, at the end of month. I hope at the end of month they will give you a very good profit. So absolutely, my friends, they will make you a millionaire. So don't miss this chance. Please take a risk and get 100% profit. My prediction is also going 100% positive because after a fails, I am 100% sure to they will take a jump. So therefore my prediction is going positive, and my opinion is for all of you to please hold. What's your opinion? Share it in the comment box, and please don't forget to like video and don't forget to subscribe channel.